She did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about her was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of confidence, emotional depth, and natural screen presence, Kiawentiio didn't simply enter Hollywood as another young actress. She crafted an identity of her own, transforming her passion for storytelling and music into one of the most promising careers of her generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on April 28, 2006, in Ontario, Canada, Kiawentiio's journey began far from the major studios of Hollywood. A proud member of the Mohawk community of Akwesasne, she grew up surrounded by a rich cultural heritage that shaped both her identity and artistic perspective. From an early age, she developed a passion for acting, music, and creative expression, discovering that storytelling could become both a career and a way to represent her community on an international stage. Her professional career began through television and film projects that immediately showcased her emotional maturity and natural talent. Even in her earliest performances, directors recognized her ability to deliver authentic, emotionally grounded characters. Each new opportunity strengthened her experience, while steadily building her reputation within the entertainment industry. Her biggest breakthrough arrived when Netflix selected her to portray Katara in the live-action adaptation of Avatar: The Last Airbender. Taking on one of the franchise's most beloved characters required extensive preparation, including action training, emotional character development, and the responsibility of meeting the expectations of millions of longtime fans worldwide. As the series continued into Season 2, Kiawentiio expanded Katara's emotional journey, portraying her growing confidence as a waterbending master, protector, and compassionate leader. Her performance earned praise for balancing strength with kindness while bringing fresh depth to the iconic character. The success of the series established her as one of Hollywood's fastest-rising young actresses. By 2026, Kiawentiio is recognized as both a talented actress and an emerging singer-songwriter. Industry professionals admire her versatility, audiences appreciate her authenticity, and producers increasingly view her as one of Canada's brightest young entertainers. Her career reflects consistent growth built on dedication, artistic discipline, and meaningful storytelling. Off-screen, her lifestyle reflects balance, humility, and cultural pride. Despite achieving international recognition at a young age, she remains closely connected to her Indigenous roots while continuing to develop both her acting and musical career. Family, creativity, and personal growth remain central to her daily life. Her fashion style mirrors her personality: elegant, youthful, and naturally confident. Whether attending Netflix premieres, entertainment events, or fashion appearances, Kiawentiio combines modern style with authenticity, creating a public image that feels genuine rather than manufactured. Although public curiosity about her personal life continues to grow, she remains focused primarily on her artistic development. She consistently chooses to highlight her work, music, and cultural representation instead of unnecessary publicity. Colleagues frequently describe her as professional, thoughtful, hardworking, and deeply committed to her craft. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects earnings from Netflix productions, acting projects, music releases, endorsements, and brand collaborations. Beyond financial success, she has established herself as an important young voice for Indigenous representation within global entertainment. What many people admire most is her authenticity. Whether performing as Katara, writing music, or speaking about her heritage, Kiawentiio brings honesty and sincerity to everything she does. That genuine approach continues to distinguish her in an increasingly competitive industry. Kiawentiio's journey is defined by steady growth instead of overnight fame. From a talented young performer in Ontario to portraying Katara in Netflix's Avatar: The Last Airbender, her rise reflects determination, creativity, and cultural pride. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as one of Canada's most exciting young stars, versatile, grounded, and built for lasting success. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. She did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about her was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of quiet confidence, emotional maturity, and natural screen presence, Miya Cech didn't simply enter Hollywood as another young actress. She crafted an identity of her own, transforming childhood passion and unwavering dedication into one of the most promising careers of her generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on March 4, 2007, in Tokyo, Japan, and raised in California after being adopted by an American family, Miya Cech's journey began far from the major studios of Hollywood. From an early age, she displayed an interest in storytelling, creativity, and performance. Acting became more than just a hobby. It became the way she explored different emotions and connected with people through meaningful characters. Her professional career began with television appearances, commercials, and guest roles that gradually introduced her to the entertainment industry. While still very young, she impressed casting directors with her maturity, discipline, and ability to deliver emotionally convincing performances. Each project became another opportunity to develop her skills and prepare for larger roles. Her breakthrough came through films and streaming productions including The Darkest Minds, Rim of the World, Always Be My Maybe, and the critically acclaimed Netflix series Beef. These performances demonstrated her versatility, allowing her to move comfortably between science fiction, drama, comedy, and coming-of-age stories while steadily building an international audience. A defining milestone arrived when Netflix announced Miya Cech as Toph Beifong for Season 2 of the live-action adaptation of Avatar: The Last Airbender. Toph is widely regarded as one of the franchise's most iconic characters, making the casting one of the most anticipated announcements among fans worldwide. The role elevated Miya's profile significantly and introduced her to an even broader global audience. By 2026, Miya Cech is recognized as one of Hollywood's most exciting young performers. Industry professionals praise her emotional range and adaptability. Audiences appreciate her authenticity, and filmmakers increasingly view her as an actress capable of carrying major productions. Her career reflects steady growth built on consistent performances rather than overnight fame. Off-screen, her lifestyle reflects balance and discipline. Despite working in one of the world's most competitive industries, she continues to prioritize education, personal development, and creative exploration. She maintains a relatively private public image, allowing her work to remain the primary focus of public attention. Her fashion presence has also continued to evolve. Whether attending movie premieres, promotional events, or award ceremonies, Miya embraces elegant and contemporary styles that complement her youthful personality. Her natural confidence and understated elegance have attracted increasing attention from fashion photographers and luxury brands. While curiosity about her personal life continues to grow alongside her career, Miya remains thoughtful about maintaining privacy. She consistently focuses interviews on acting, creative inspiration, and future projects rather than personal headlines. Industry colleagues frequently describe her as hardworking, respectful, and exceptionally professional for her age. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects earnings from successful films, streaming productions, television appearances, commercial partnerships, and brand collaborations. Beyond financial success, she has established herself as one of the brightest emerging talents in Hollywood with tremendous long-term potential. What many people admire most is her authenticity. She approaches every role with sincerity and preparation, allowing audiences to connect naturally with her performances. Rather than chasing attention, she continues to build a career based on skill, versatility, and genuine artistic growth. Miya Cech's journey is marked by determination rather than circumstance. From a young girl discovering acting in California to portraying the legendary Toph Beifong in one of Netflix's biggest fantasy productions, her rise reflects dedication, resilience, and remarkable talent. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a symbol of Hollywood's next generation, confident, versatile, and built for lasting success. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.